what's up, man? Tuesday, day whatever, quarantine. Today we got a couple things in store with the Mustang. I'm tidying up all the wire loom for the nitrous system. So I'm cleaning up all that wiring stuff, trying to hide as much as possible. I did want to show you guys where I put my purge. That's a pretty cool little thing I changed up. I'll get into that a little later. Right now I'm going to Harbor Freight. I'm going to go on my bike, right there, warming up for me, to go and get some plastic sheet wire loom for this thing. And I also got a couple other things I got to go over on this thing, so stay tuned, man. Video. I'm back. Went real quick to Harbor Freight, which is about 2 miles from here. Got the loom, got 3 packs. So I'm anticipating using mainly a 1/2 inch by 7 feet here. Obviously, we're gonna cut as needed. This one's 14 feet, which is perfect. This is for the small wires. This right here, this half right here, is to try to fit in all this stuff here. Trying to tidy that up. Should fit. I was planning on maybe putting this in. We'll see how it comes along, but like I said, I'm coming along with all the nitrous stuff. I'm trying to hide all the wires, make it look real clean. I did remount these solenoids here, and obviously you guys can maybe see now the purge line has been relocated. Now, I don't want it hanging like that forever, but this is just for the sake of trial. I did put it here through one of the scoops. I think it's gonna look real cool. I used just a regular fitting of what I had, but I'm gonna modify that. It sticks out too much, but this is in theory how it's gonna look in the end. Maybe really try to get a longer airline, strap it up against the hood, and maybe come down where it's showing very minimal. But that's coming. But stay tuned, man. About to wire all this stuff up, cover everything up, see how it goes. All right, y'all, quick update. So I'm pretty much done. Well, pretty much done wiring, covering all the loom. Show you guys in a second. Start down over here. Still got some wires down over there I need to put in more into the cab, but everything is loomed. Coming up here, I still am gonna go and get some tape, kind of cover these up. But if you follow it, all loomed up, all here loomed up. Even individual wires kind of give it a cleaner look. This here loomed up. Relocated some wires underneath here. So overall, it's looking pretty clean, man. I'm really liking how it's coming out. Like I said, I relocated my purge through here. It was coming out through the bottom here, but honestly, it looks cooler if it just shoots out the hood here. And honestly, I used it too to see if I'm having like a pure nitrous coming out. So that's 2 things, 2 reasons why I did that. But overall, like I said, it's coming along. 150 shot in here on a window switch activation here. This ram time, it's been working killer so far, tuned by Lund. So yeah, let me go and do the next thing, and I'll keep you guys updated. Y'all, it's done for today. I finished up covering and securing all the wires that I think was necessary. It looks pretty clean. I even added some coolant. It looked like it was a little low. So everything seems to be working. Right now I'm gonna check it. I didn't do anything major as far as motor-wise or anything, but I'm gonna check the nitrous system. I'm not gonna go shooting. I mean, maybe I should, because I did ended up cutting the solenoids wires and rewiring them to be just kind of in a better, I guess, angle you can call it, so it can fit into this loom. But no, I'm not gonna do that just yet. I'm gonna just turn it on, turn on the nitrous, make sure it purges. I'm gonna turn on the fuel. I'll be able to tell if it's throwing fuel by just hearing the fuel cell. and then the Purge I'll be able to hear that. As far as the nitrous is concerned, I'm gonna just check for leaks and go from there. Let's see. It should be. I think I'm in a cold start right now, to be honest. I haven't turned it on, I think, in a couple of days. Let's see. Here's my nitrous gauges. Let's see. Alright. Turn on. Oh, wait, I can't. I have literally no sway going. But I can check it real quick. Here. So let's see. Nitrous system on. Looks like it's working. RPMs are clean. Throttle positions at 5%, 4-5%. That's perfect. Okay. Let's check the fuel cell. Fuel cell's way back here. Let's see if there's any leaks. It's pumping. Still by here you can hear it, feel it. I'm nearly almost, wow. Almost at 50. Almost 59 PSI. I may have to drop that a little bit. But that's working. Then let's turn those off. Purge. Let's check that. Let's check it out. Actually, let me turn it off. And I'm gonna check the Purge. I like turning on the nitrous without the car on so I can hear. See if there's any leaks. Nothing in here. Nothing immediate here. Although only because you can't hear it doesn't mean it's not leaking, no. But everything looks good so far. I disconnected this main primary nitrous thing here going into the solenoids, but that seems to be fine. Okay, that looks good. Let's check the. Alright, go back to the Purge. Make sure that's working. Let's see. Oh, we're closed. Let's see. You should see it pull up. Yep. Perfect. You can't see it because I'm literally empty. It's shooting probably just air, very low pressure, but it's coming. You can kind of see it. Everything seems to be working. All right, guys, so I'm done now. I covered up all the lines and wires. How much y'all think? My neighbor here, Mr. Wayne, suggested, hey, man, it would probably be better if you just cover it all. So I'm kind of digging the look. It's all black, everything. The fuel lines, the nitrous line, electrical wires, all covered and loomed, and the protective coating here. And I kind of like it. Like, Wayne, what you call it? It's what?
Dope.
It's unassuming.
Unassuming, that's it.
Right? The only thing that gives it away now that I have nitrous, to be honest, is obviously this big old nitrous express switches here. But overall, it looks clean, man. It really honestly does look clean now. Boom. All right, so the wiring is done. I'm about to go test the Mustang out real quick, make sure everything's running good. And maybe push it a little bit.
Straight gas. That boy, she gripping all right. She gripping all around some little 255 all-season tires.
All Alright, y'all. Hey, car's running good. Wiring is all complete. I still gotta do a little tidy up things. I'll do that in the next video. But overall, everything's running smooth. Catch y'all later.